Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about Excel in VBA coding. So let's begin. Hi guys. Today we will discuss about a VBA in Excel. So let's begin off with this topic. So what is VBA in Excel? See, look at here. Excel in VBA, short for Visual Basics for Application, is a programming language. VBA Excel is just a programming language in Excel. We have to use it that empowers the user to automate tasks and create personalized solutions within the Excel. It enables the macro with the instruction automatically perform to repetitive tasks. Means what? If you want to get a certain kind of repetitive tasks in Excel, so this kind of programming language you can give it, and your task get within the second, and within the minutes your task get completed. So it is a VBA programming or VBA Excel. Okay, then there are data types also included in VBA. So because it is a programming language, so data type also get involved, and also get variable also get involved. Data type means what? Data type is a core character by any of variables. It represents a type we can store in variable, and limit, range and values we can store in variable. Data types are the built-in variables user developers and need, to which the value can store in data types. And what is a variable? Variable means the amount of data you can store in the name, which is called a variables. Variable is define the storage of computer memory and store the information and execute the VBA code. This type of data code stored in variables depends upon on type of data variables. For example, if user wants to store integer in a variable, data will be in integer format. Okay, there are data types also including here. Data types see and store. In bytes, the memory has a 1 byte. Integer, you will get 2 bytes. In single, you will get 4 byte memory. Long, you will get 4 byte memory. Double, you will get 8 byte memory. Decimal, you will get 14 bytes of memory. Then, date, you will get 8 byte. Currency, you will get 8 byte. String, you will get 10 byte. Object, you will get 4 byte. Booleans, you will get 2 bytes. So, what is byte? 8 bit will get 1 byte. And how that 1 byte get calculated? How that 8 bits get calculated? 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, like that your bits get calculated. Computer don't have any kind of language. What kind of language we are speak? The computer language is a machine language. The machine language is a kind of 0 and 1. It is called a binary language. Computer can get your data. So we go to our programming language of the VBA code. We start our first code in VBA. So I will go to sheet 2, and here you will get a developer tab. In the developer tab, it is a Visual Basics. You can do Alt plus 11 is our shortcut key in Visual Basics. So here you will get over here. So in here I want to go in insert module and module, like that you will get a blank page. Here you will type your code. Okay, so my first code is sub. Okay, then first program, my first program, like I will type PROG only like this. Okay, it is my name of my program. My first program is my name of my first program. Here you see it. Then range. Suppose I want to select the range A5 here. Okay, it is A5. I want to select the range A5, means this kind of range I want to select it. You can select this kind of range like through range like this, bracket, double inverted commas, A5, double inverted comma, complete, dot select. Okay, then I will press the F5 key. See, we select the A5. Then again I go to the A1 option here. Look at here. I will go here and I will go to range. I want to select the range A10 like this. Sorry, A10, and I will close it and select. Okay, then I will press the F5 key. See, your cursor is go to A10, but you see F5 cannot get the cursor over here. Okay, but our compile get debugging over here. Okay, so I will go again this key A1 and I will press the F8 key like debug. See, this yellow highlight is a compile over here. This, see, A5, see, our cursor go A5 here, and then again I press the F8. See, my cursor also get 18 right now. It is called a selection of cell. Then I will give the comment over here. Means I want to give comment like this. You can give the comment. See, like that you can give the any kind of comment. See, I want to give this comment, so I give this kind of comment over here. Okay, suppose I want to select the range. Again range. Then here you can choose like this. Then range here I will give inverted commas. Then I want to give the range A1 to give up to range A10 like this. Okay, and I complete this dot select. Select. Okay, and I will debug it. See, F8. Okay, it is a compilation error. It is a syntax error. I cannot give the inverted comma over here. Okay, like this, and I will press again F8 key. See, range A1 to A10, and again I will press F8 C. My selection is A1 to A10 like this. Okay, it is called as a selection of cells. It is my first program in this session right now. Okay, then another I will type the program next. Suppose, okay, I will close it, all this close. Okay, I will okay it, stop debugging. In here, I go to the sheet 3 and I go to the rename. I will rename this code. Okay, rename this sheet key. Then I type here skill courses. Skill. I will give the underscore over because we learned the VBA skill course. Okay, COURS skill course. Okay, then again I go to the Alt plus. Okay, sorry. Okay, here Alt plus F11 at right here. We go to again Visual Basics code. Okay, here, and here we select insert module like this. Okay, then I type my second program is sub PR my program, my third dot program, PROG prog. I'll write here. Enter it, enter like this. Okay, then I type sheets. Suppose right now, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will use right now. I am going in sheet number 4. Okay, but I want to activate this skill courses sheet. Okay, so I will go here, sheets, I type here and I type this name skill underscore courses. Okay, then I complete the inverted comma and here dot activate. Okay, then I will debug it. F8. See, my sheet directly go in skill courses. See, look at here, my sheet directly go in skill courses. Okay, then I will comment over here. Okay, like this, and then again I will go again sheet number 4. See, look at here. Then I will type here sheets. Okay, I will type 3 and then dot activate. Okay, like this. Then I will F8 it. Okay, see, look at it. Again I go to skill courses here. Suppose I will minimize it. This sheet I put here on the first. Okay, like this. And I write now in sheet number 4 again. Oh, okay. Then look at here. I also comment here also like this. And I type here sheet 3 dot activate or select. Select. Then again I go to F8. Okay, see, sheet 3. This is our sheet 3. Look at here. Sheet 3 is skill courses. That sheet will be selected. Okay, skill courses sheet is in our sheet 3. Okay, look at here, so that our skill courses sheet get selected. Okay, this is my selection of sheet. Again I will type here. Again our new code we will type it in the skill courses only. Okay, so I will delete this code. Okay, I will locate. Then again I take sub. Then I will give next my fourth program. Fourth underscore program. Pro. Then I will enter it. Enter. Okay, like this. So I want to write a certain kind of program like DIM. What is DIM? DIM means declare in a memory. I declare the memory as a variable, as a name. Okay, I write the name as a variable. It is name. It is my variable. Okay, as a string format. Why we should use a string? I want to give a certain name, so that name should get a string format. Okay, then again I will give the dim as a age. I want to declare age as a integer format, so I will write it integer format. Then again I will go to the dim. I want to dim as a salary. I want to declare salary as a double format, so I will give the double over here. Then again I want to declare the name of any kind of person, so name equal to, I will give the name as a Rohan, R-O-H-N, Rohan. Okay, then age equal to, I will give the age up to 45 like this. But you cannot give the double inverted commas in numerical. Okay, so you only give the inverted comma only for a text. Okay, then here next salary. We give the salary up to 70,000 rupees like this. Okay, then I want to execute it, so I want to debug it. Our program is yet right or wrong. So look at here. This will select the memory. See, this variable gets selected. This variable have no any kind of compilation issues, so that they go directly over here. Okay, Then again I want to show this data. Look at here, this data I want to show here. So I will give the range. Okay, range. Then I will select it, and in the range A1 I type A1 over here and dot value, okay, equal to name. Okay, equal to name. Okay, so I will just copy it here, Ctrl C copy, then here Ctrl V paste, again I will paste it. Okay, then again I will go to the B1, I will go in B1 over here. See, look at here, B1, here I will go C1, okay, C1, and look at here, or okay, I will write it A3 like this. Okay, A3, then here I will type it A2 over here. Values, I will change the value here, you name, then age, I type age over here, then here I type the salary, salary. Okay, so look at here, I will go effect, I will go to the view as a local explorer. Is it local window? Okay, here local window. Okay, look at here, it is our local window. Okay, like this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, see, look at here, our local window. See, we get, okay, I will go F8 key, I will press the F8 key. See, our local window get compile over this. Look at here, our all these things are come to here. You will get the print over here. What are data we type here, what are write the program over here, you will get print over here in the Excel. So it is our first, second program, fourth program in our VBA coding. So next we will discuss about our next programs in our VBA coding. So right now stay with our channel and like it, subscribe it and share to my channel for more informative video. So thank you.